Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up everything that we're gonna have for the week from Walmart, and I was way under budget this week. I love to be under $200, but I was actually at $168 this week, so super under budget. I planned out all of our meals for the week in my meal planning book, so I will share with you our meal plan and all of the groceries that we got. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I share with you my grocery haul and my meal plan every week. So I love sharing this with you, so make sure you subscribe. Let me show you all the groceries that we got. Okay, so here are all of the groceries. I got a couple new things that we're gonna try this week, so I am excited. But this is everything we're gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my family of 4. So I'll start over here. I've got all of our fruits and some vegetables for the week. Lots of apples. We go through a lot of apples. We also go through a lot of bananas. Strawberries as well. I put strawberries in the boys' lunches for school. Avocado. I got some mango. I got a couple mangoes last week and I forgot how good they are. I don't get them very often. So got a couple more mangoes. Our gallon of milk for the week. I got 2 of these yogurts. My husband was totally out, so I wanted to make sure we had plenty for the whole week. This is his favorite. It's just 2 grams of sugar, and he loves it. This is his favorite one. I got some plain non-fat yogurt as well. I am trying this for the week. We love different yogurts. As you can tell, I'm always getting different yogurts. But this one, 0 sugar, and it is called Milk and Cookies. A friend of mine recommended it, so I am really excited. It's 60 calories per container and 12 grams of protein. So really excited to give this yogurt a try. I got some shredded lettuce because I'm going to be doing some wraps for lunch, an onion, sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches that he makes to take to work. So I saw this 0 sugar brownie mix, chocolate fudge, so I have to give it a try. Usually some of these packaged mixes that are either keto friendly or 0 sugar or low carb or whatever, they're not usually that great. So I am going to try this and see how it is. Some sourdough bread. My husband loves to do like a breakfast sandwich with sourdough. Some macaroni and cheese spirals. My kids love these. And we started soccer. So we have soccer practice twice a week and games once a week. So we're busy. Our evenings are busy right now. So they love macaroni and cheese spirals for dinner and a side of meat, either chicken or meatballs or something. So got 2 boxes of this. I got our favorite drink enhancer. This is my favorite, pineapple mango. You just put a squirt of this into your water and it makes it delicious. This is the one my husband likes. It's mixed berry and it has, this is an electrolyte one, so he likes that as well. But this is the mixed berry flavor. I got 2 boxes of sugar-free chocolate pudding. My kids have been asking for it for dessert. So if they eat a good dinner, if they're well-behaved, they get a little dessert. So I'm going to make some chocolate pudding this week. And then some sugar-free Jell-O as well. I needed some little spray oil. And then cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks and one of my kids' favorite snacks as well. So I'm trying out this brand. Well, I've already had this barbecue sauce, this J. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, but I'm trying out this teriyaki marinade. So I am really excited to try it out. 0 sugar, and the barbecue sauce is really, really good. So I think that will be great as well. This is my favorite, this Japanese kind of teriyaki sauce as well. And it's really, really good. I think that this teriyaki marinade might be similar, but I wanted to get this because we were totally out and I absolutely love it. Some black beans to have in the pantry. My husband does a lot of burritos sometimes. Some fajita mix. I got 2 of these different Joseph's bread things to make some wraps. So this is lavish flatbread. And I've been seeing a lot of this around lately. So it's low fat, high fiber, multi-grain. So really, like, they're supposed to be super healthy and really good also. So I'm going to try the lavish flatbread, and then this is a pita pocket bread as well. So really excited to try these 2 out. Got some carb balance tortillas. These are the ones my husband uses for his burritos. There are 3 carbs for the whole tortilla. This is the burrito size. It's pretty big. This is my favorite ever Southwest blend. It's just frozen, and one of you guys left me a comment last week that you can't find it at your Walmart. So I'm going to see what other kinds of options Walmart has of things that are similar to this, because I absolutely love this one. It is so good. I use it a ton. So I was thinking I should have gotten 2 packages of that this week, because I got 2 packages of rice cauliflower. I have really been into rice cauliflower lately. Super easy. It just steams in the bag. Super healthy. I've been trying to eat a lot more vegetables lately, so the rice cauliflower definitely helps with that. My husband wanted bacon, so he'll make the bacon up on the Blackstone, and we'll have that just ready for the week for, it's really good on sandwiches, breakfast, different things. I got some shrimp. We're going to do shrimp one night. I love shrimp. It's one of my favorites, and kind of trying to mix it up from lots of chicken, because I got 2 packs of chicken this week because I have some recipes I am going to be making. So 2 packs of chicken. We grill up a pack for sandwiches and salads and whatnot, and then I'm going to make some other recipes with it. Chicken apple sausage, our favorite. I love this with my eggs in the morning. It is really good, but we're going to do it for dinner one night this week. Some turkey breasts that I am going to put into the wraps with the new lavish wraps. And then a big thing of frozen sausage. It's this Vermont maple flavoring. Super quick and easy. Just pop in the microwave. My kids love it. And it makes for a really easy morning when we just microwave that up. So I will show you my meal plan and in my favorite little book that I've been using for quite some time now. I am in love with it. I've been using it for like probably 6 weeks or so, just writing down all of our dinners. So we are going to do shrimp fried rice. I made it last week for lunch and for my lunch meal prep, and I just was in love with it. So we're going to do that for dinner one night. Taco Tuesday. We have soccer practice on Tuesdays, so it is a night that we have to have a super quick meal. I make up taco meat and freeze it in the freezer, so it is quick and easy. Chicken, apple sausage, and mixed veggies. On Wednesday, we have soccer practice again on Thursday night, so we're going to do some just barbecue chicken. It'll be quick, and then a side of veggies with that. I'm going to do chicken teriyaki rice bowl, so I'm going to use that new sugar-free teriyaki marinade that I got, and we'll do some rice and broccoli for the rice bowl. Spaghetti meatballs, my kids' favorite, and then chicken Caesar on Sunday. And then for my lunches for this week, I usually eat the same thing all week for lunches. So I'm going to be doing turkey wraps with my new wraps that I am very, very excited about. So this is the meal plan. These are all of the groceries under budget this week, which I love. So I hope you enjoyed this week's meal plan. Hope it gave you some motivation to work on your meal plan for the week and some meals to have for dinner. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.